Kirk Kaplan with Crest Legal and Accounting Partners. And I wanted to talk to you today about what are trustees' duties in regards to administering a trust. But before we do that, let's just back up just a brief moment and let's talk about what a trustee is. A trustee is someone or an entity that is selected by an individual who created a trust. And that individual, the trustee, will be the one who will administer the trust according to the terms of the trust and the assets that are funded therein. Now, the trustee's duties begin with what are required under the trust document. And the trust document many times says, hey, look out for the trust beneficiaries. And when they hit a certain age, make sure you make distribution to them. Or make sure that you account to them for all the income that the trust created during the year. There are other duties that the trustees are required, such as reporting income taxes to the various taxing authorities, such if you're in California, if you're in Nevada, luckily, you don't have that aspect of reporting to the state government, but you still have a fiduciary tax return that you have to file with the federal government. And then on top of it, we have to make sure that we stay in tune with the beneficiaries and to make sure that the trust is being administered to the best benefit of those beneficiaries. So if you have a beneficiary, let's say, that has a life interest, and we'll talk about what life interest is more in the future, but if you have a beneficiary that has a life interest, that person is looking for the maximum amount of income that can be generated. So a trustee has a duty to invest those assets that will generate the most interest, the most dividends, the most royalties for the benefit of that beneficiary. Those are just some of the few duties that the trustee has. If you have any questions while administering a trust, more than welcome to please call me. I'm happy to talk to you about what your duties are. If you have any questions, please call me. I'm Kirk Kaplan, 702-202-4153.